Now you are in the practical part. I have taught you the kinds of houses, I have taught you the stuff that found in your home, the electronic stuff. Actually, I taught you everything related to your apartment or your home. Now it's time to go to the practical part, okay? I gonna now give you an example how to describe all your home, all the items in your home, and you can just use another words. For example, if I'm talking, for example, about a television, you just can remove the word television and put the word radio, okay? Okay, let's start with describing the floor that you are living in. Now we can have an example about the third floor. I want you to concentrate with me so much. The third floor, the number 3, we call it تلاتة. تلاتة. Okay? تلاتة. When we are counting something, we're gonna remove the ha at the end. So, for example, okay, تلاتة gonna be تلت. أربعة gonna be أربع. Now we're gonna start with the first thing to describe that I'm living in the X floor, okay? I'm living in the X floor. I can teach you how to say I'm living in the first floor, second floor, till the 10th floor, okay? So, أنا عايش في الدور الأول. First. أنا عايش في الدور الأول. What if a female who's speaking, she's gonna say أنا عايشة في الدور الأول. Okay, so you can use أنا عايش or أنا عايشة. Then you start using the numbers. What are the numbers regarding first till 10th? الأول. الأول. الثاني. الثاني. الثالث. الثالث. الرابع. الرابع. الخامس. الخامس. السادس, which is the sixth. السادس. السادس. Make sure to write down your notes. Come on, come on, come on. السابع. السابع. Then الثامن. الثامن. التاسع, which is ninth. التاسع. التاسع. Finally, العاشر. العاشر, which is the 10th. So you're gonna go like أنا عايش في الدور and say the number. أنا عايشة في الدور and then say the number as well. Okay? Then you want to say in my apartment there are 3 rooms. في, which is inside, شقتي, my apartment, 3 أوض. في شقتي 3 أوض. You may ask a question. Why did I say 3 not 3? Not 3. Okay? Because I'm using the number 3 to count something over here. For example, the word 3, the normal number 3, when I'm counting something, it goes like, it comes to convert it to as talat. Talat. Why I did here is just remove the ha sound at the end. So, 3 gonna be talat. 4 gonna be أربع. 5 gonna be خمس. 6 gonna be ست. Can you feel the ha at the end that I'm removing? 7 gonna be سبع. 8 gonna be 8. 9 gonna be 9. 10 gonna be 10. Okay, so في شقتي 3 أوض, 3 rooms. وحمام and the bathroom. ومطبخ and the kitchen. وبلكونة and the balcony. Okay? So now we're done with I'm living in the 3rd floor. My apartment had 3 rooms, 1 kitchen, 1 bathroom and 1 balcony. أوضة نوم كبيرة. Big bedroom. أوضة نوم كبيرة. أوضة نوم means bedroom. كبيرة means big. Big, okay? So big bedroom. أوضة نوم كبيرة. which is and, as we said before, it can be or we. or we. أوضتين نوم صغيرين and 2 small bedrooms. أوضتين, it's the 2 of the word أوضة, you know, okay? أوضتين نوم sleeping, صغيرين small, and 2 small bedrooms. الأوضة الكبيرة, the large or the big bedroom, فيها, it has سرير. سرير, which means bed. What is the bed size? سرير كبير. سرير كبير, big bed, big bed. Why didn't I say سرير كبيرة as I did with the أوضة? In the أوضة, I used to say أوضة كبيرة. Now I'm saying سرير كبير because in Egyptian Arabic we have the feminine and masculine. Okay, what I mean is أوضة, it's a female. So describing a female should end by the h sound. أوضة كبيرة. What about the word سرير? It's considered as a male word. So سرير كبير. Okay? سرير كبير. Or I can say سرير صغير. سرير صغير. Small bed. Okay? Small bed. سرير صغير. ومروحة and a fan. ومروحة. ومروحة. Okay? ومطبخ and the kitchen. And the kitchen. في تلاجة refrigerator and cooker وبوتاجاز في تلاجة وبوتاجاز. There's a refrigerator and a cooker. Okay. في تلاجة وبوتاجاز. وأطباق. أطباق, it's the plural of the word طبق. أطباق, it's the plural of the word طبق. وأطباق and plates. Okay. وأطباق. وشوك and forks. شوك, it's the plural of شوكة, which is fork. ومعالق. معالق, it's the plural of the word معلقة. معالق, which means spoon. Spoon, معلقة, spoons, معالق. And then the word knife, سكاكين, which is knives. Because one knife, we call it سكينة. Plural, we call it سكاكين. Okay? سكاكين. Please make sure to write all these notes down so you can refer to them. Okay? Finally, we have the bathroom وحمام and a bathroom وحمام. في means it have بانيو toilet and غسالة, which is the clothes washing machine. غسالة. Okay? غسالة. I know always the practical part is the hard part. So please don't move to the next part unless you really got these points and understand this part. Please repeat this part 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. I don't care how much you may repeat them, but I just please, the good thing and the power of this course in the practical part. So please make sure to get the practical part and just insert it in your mind, and just make sure that you really understood it and then move to the next part. Okay, so first make sure to get this part, and now let's go to the next part.